All right, today I'll be sharing piano assignment number 4. If you've watched parts 6 and 7 of my Don't Quit Piano series, then today's lesson will have you playing the full C and G major chords. So if you're ready, here's today's lesson. And I have a surprise at the very end, so stay tuned. I remember the day when I learned the secrets to playing the piano like a pro, and I remember being so mad at my piano teacher for never showing me any of these playing techniques. And yeah, it took me a few months to really digest a lot of this new information, but it was worth it. And here's the thing. I didn't have the advanced computer technology that's available today. Music software that places letters directly inside each music note. But if I had access to this technology when I was a young piano student, I wouldn't have needed a piano teacher, that's for sure. Not to play simple pop songs. Because the truth is, the software that I use to create these tutorials is a game changer, and it's something that I offer all of my private students. And it's an amazing tool that I hope all of my subscribers will start using. Because the fact is, this music software will give you full control over every aspect of your piano education. First of all, it will allow you to learn any song you want to learn. You won't be dependent on me or any YouTuber to provide you with quality piano instruction. You'll be able to provide it for yourself. Imagine having music software so powerful that it can replace your need for a piano teacher. This software is like having access to a piano teacher 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. And here's the surprise I promised you at the beginning of this video. My piano teacher, Mr. Guy Fawkes, will be showing you a way to download this software for free. So imagine never having to pay for another boring piano lesson ever again, or having to watch YouTube video after YouTube video, only to learn at a snail's pace. And the free software that I've been using for years is comparable to Finale or Sibelius, which both cost hundreds of dollars for the professional version. And I know what you're thinking. What's the catch? Well, here's the thing. There is no catch. My former piano teacher, the man who taught me everything I know about piano and music software, has written a book. Actually, it's more like a user manual for anyone who wants to be a great piano player. And in this user manual, he's going to show you how to sort through all the hundreds upon hundreds of functions in this amazing music software. He's going to show you how to jumpstart your piano education using the dozen or so features that you really need to learn piano on your own. Of course, you won't be on your own because he's going to teach you the 9 playing techniques that I alluded to in parts 1 and 2 of this video series, and then some. And if the advanced copy he gave me is any indication, the final version is going to be absolutely mind-blowing. You'll be learning some of the best-kept playing secrets in the industry today, bar none. So if you haven't done so already, go back and watch parts 1 to 7 of my Don't Quit Piano series. And stay tuned, because we're just days away from my former piano teacher's book release, and all my subscribers will get a huge discount. This book will easily retail for $45 or more, but my subscribers will get a 60% discount for life. That's about what you'd pay for a single private piano lesson these days. So if you really want to learn how to play the piano, and you're tired of all the YouTube piano tutorials, or you just don't want to go down the private lesson road, then stay tuned, because I'll be providing the discount link as soon as the book is released. Well, that's it for today's lesson. My name is Andrew, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.